Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more. As we all know, art can be an enjoyable hobby, both liberating and self-expressive. Whether you're a professional or someone who just enjoys the craft and overall experience. While this hobby can be fun, it also gets costly, especially if you're pursuing it as a serious career path. So in this video, I'm going to share ways to save money at Michael's, from tips to discounts. But before we get started, also be sure to check out part 1. I'll put a link in the description. Number 1. If you're a teacher, senior, or military member, you're in luck, because Michael's offers a 15% off coupon your entire purchase, plus sale items for teachers, military members, veterans, and their families, and a 10% off coupon for seniors, off of their entire purchase including sale items. You just have to make sure that you provide a valid ID to take advantage of these discounts. Number 2. Look for clearance items in the store. Most are located in a part of an aisle or on end caps, so keep a lookout for those red tags. Number 3. You can get discounted items before the holidays. If you wait long enough, usually about 1 to 2 weeks before the holidays, you can save up to 80% off. Number 4. Add items to your cart online, but don't purchase them.
Say what?
Why do I say this? Simply because Michael's will send you an exclusive coupon for 40% off your entire regular price purchase if you abandon your cart long enough. Number 5. Search websites such as Retail Me Not to find other coupon codes that you may not be able to find on Michael's. Thanks for watching, and I hope these money-saving tips help you as they've helped me. Good luck and keep creating. I'll also be uploading a part 3 to this video soon, so stay tuned. Also be sure to check out part 1. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more. Don't forget to check out my new website at www.bnwart.com/shop and subscribe for updates and sales. Follow me on Instagram at bnwart_leeway or on my Twitter at Leawayartisans.